And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera. We're looking out to the west, and that's where we see some sunshine, and that's where we see a Chinook arch, thanks to the strong winds in the upper levels. 6 degrees where we're at right now, partly cloudy skies. We did get down to -3 at 4 a.m. this morning, so 6 degrees is our daytime high. Temperatures have responded very well to that flow of warm air, and of course that's why we had all the fog earlier today, was because that warm air mixing with the cooler air that was existing at the surface. It's finally made its way down to the surface, the warmer air mass in many areas. Some areas still lagging behind as far as temperatures go. To the west of the Continental Divide, looking at positive numbers as well. What we're looking at still is almost like a two-pronged flow of some precipitation that is making its way across, and of course we're looking at that cloud cover eventually breaking as it hits that Chinook arch. So on this side of the Continental Divide we had a fair amount of sunshine this afternoon, not so this morning. We're going to see the winds increase overnight tonight, and that will put us in warmer temperatures. Our overnight low will eventually warm up before dawn and pretty much stay that way as far as temperature-wise all through the day tomorrow. On this side of the Continental Divide, you can see though that we don't have any real precipitation that we're talking about right now. You saw that pink move through earlier in the radar loop, and of course that was that early morning freezing drizzle. We had some light snow, we had some mist, we had all kinds of varieties of precipitation. Majority of it though, everything pretty much staying on the mountains because we do have that Chinook arch. So the winds up top as a subsidence flow and just kind of drying everything out before it makes its way onto this side of the mountains. Having said that, we will lose that wind when we get into tomorrow night. So that's when we start to see that shower activity landing in southern Alberta. Chance of that turning into snow overnight Tuesday into Wednesday. We could see some on the ground. 9 degrees in St. John's right now, and of course the big weather story is Hurricane Sandy. It's a very powerful hurricane, not the most powerful hurricane that they've seen on the eastern seaboard, but it's just the wide expanse of that system. It's already creating wind warnings for southern Ontario, southern Quebec, and all the way into Halifax. Those will change to heavy rainfall warnings probably in the next several hours. 4 degrees in Winnipeg right now, 0 and 1 in Regina and Saskatoon, -4 rather in the capital, 11 in Kelowna, 13 with a sun and cloud mix in Vancouver, sunny in Whitehorse right now at -12 degrees, and it is snowing in Yellowknife at -10 at this hour. Overnight forecast for the regions, looking at East Kootenay, chance of showers tonight, 3 degrees for a low. Afternoon periods of rain tomorrow, but you'll have some sunshine breaking through in the latter part of the afternoon, 8 degrees for a daytime high. Crow's Nest Pass, a few clouds tonight, windy tonight, 5 degrees for a low. And then you've got cloud and sun mix, heavy on the cloud cover with that evening shower development. So that'll turn into overnight snow tomorrow night, 10 degrees for a daytime high tomorrow. Medicine Hat, mainly clear tonight, 0 for a low, 8 for a high tomorrow. You folks will have a nice sun and cloud mix tomorrow. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at windy tonight with a few clouds. Overnight low of 1, rising to 7 by dawn, staying at 7 for a daytime high tomorrow. And then we have that chance of evening showers tomorrow night. And then as we get into Wednesday morning, we'll see that shower activity that we get late in the day, Tuesday into Wednesday morning, turning into some snow showers. And then that will be probably 2 to 4 centimeters on the ground. It's not with us long. We warm up to 12 degrees as we get into Thursday. There's that special number on Saturday, 15 degrees. I'll step out of frame and let you check out the record temperatures. We had some nice ones in the past, but you know, you look at the temperatures that we're going to get this week, 15 degrees on Saturday. That's just a wonderful daytime high for this time of year. 8 degrees is our average high, by the way, for Lethbridge.